Hello, how are you? Family of Telemathematics. Welcome to a new video of our channel. So let's get started. To begin, let's define triangles, which are polygons with three sides. What are the elements of a triangle? The sides, the vertices, and the angles. Let's mention that within triangles, there are two classifications. First, by the length of their sides, we have the equilateral triangle, whose concept is based on having equal side lengths. For example, the isosceles triangle, whose concept is based on having two equal side lengths. For example, the scalene triangle, whose concept is based on having different lengths on its sides. For example, secondly, by the amplitude of their angles, where we find the rectangle triangle, whose concept is based on having one of its angles equal to 90 degrees. For example, the obtuse angle triangle, whose concept is based on having the width of one of its angles greater than 90 degrees. For example, the acute angle triangle, whose concept is based on having the width of its angles less than 90 degrees. For example, now, to calculate the perimeter of a triangle, you must know that it is defined as the sum of the lengths of its sides. For example, we have triangle ABC, whose side lengths are shown in the figure. Then, applying the formula based on the given vertices, we would have, replacing the segments with their respective values, we have 10 cm plus, 6 cm plus, 4 cm. And solving the operations, we obtain that the perimeter of triangle ABC is 20 cm. On the other hand, to calculate the area of a triangle, you must also know that it is defined as the product of the length of the base and the length of the height divided by 2, that is, the semi-product between the length of the base and the length of the height. For example, we have triangle ABC, whose base length is 11 cm and height length is 4 cm, as shown in the figure. Then, applying the formula, we have, replacing the elements with their respective values, we get 11 cm times 4 cm divided by 2. Calculating the product, we get 44 cm squared divided by 2. And calculating the quotient, we get that the area of triangle ABC is 22 cm squared. Very good. I hope you have understood the topic, but if you have any questions, review the material again or let us know so we can help you.
If you liked the video, I encourage you to give it a like, to subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and to activate notifications so you can see the new topics that we will be releasing, to leave us your comments, and to share it with your friends. Until the next video,